course, fishing is a big deal too, because the lake created by the dam has been stocked with plenty of fish. I had a look at Creel Bay where you can launch your boat. Access for a boat trailer is good on a well-maintained dirt road. National parks have the area pretty well locked up, so there's no real four-wheel driving, but there are fishing tracks down to the lake where you can have a bit of fun. I found these off Kosciuszko Road close to Lion Island. There's also plenty of mountain bike trails all through here.